One of America's largest trucking companies just automated their entire operations with AI. Here's exactly how they're saving millions while staying ahead of competitors. Hirschbach Motor Lines manages thousands of trucks and drivers across North America. Their biggest pain point? Manual scheduling, route planning, and fuel optimization wasted time and money. With diesel costs soaring and driver shortages intensifying, they needed automation fast. Traditional systems couldn't scale. They needed automation for predictive maintenance, route optimization, and driver dispatch. All route optimization and driver dispatch. All availability to make instant decisions. The system learns continuously, improving efficiency daily. Automated scheduling improving efficiency daily. Automated scheduling eliminated manual coordination errors and reduced idle within months. Hirschbach cut fuel costs by 12%, reduced maintenance emergencies by 30%, and improved on-time delivery rates to 99%. Driver satisfaction increased because AI eliminated tedious paperwork. Annual savings exceeded $12 million. Other logistics companies watched and realized automation isn't optional anymore. It's survival, whether you're in logistics, manufacturing, or services. Automation follows Hirschbach's playbook. Identify repetitive bottlenecks, implement data-driven tools, measure ROI obsessively. Start small, scale fast. Your competitors are already moving. The question is whether you'll lead or follow. If your business is losing money to manual processes, subscribe for more case studies like this. Hit like and comment. What's your biggest operational bottleneck? What do you feel like already moving